Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Today, boys, our lecture about the derivative by the first principle. This is our third lecture, exercise 2.2, and we are going to solve the question number 1, part 5. Boys, in this question, look at, we have given that y is equal to 1 over az minus b raised to power 7. First of all, we move this denominator to the numerator, and whenever we move any denominator to the numerator, its power become negative if it is positive, right? If it is negative, then it become positive. So y is equal to az minus b raised to power minus 7. It become minus 7. So our next step, according to the first principle or according to the abelian method, that is, we have to let y plus del y change in dependent variable and change in independent variable. So y plus del y and z plus del z, because in this question our dependent variable is y and independent variable is z. So I write a into z plus del z minus b raised to power minus 7. And the next step, I just open this bracket, a into z, az plus a into delta z minus b raised to power minus 7. And this y, I move this y to left, from left to the right, so its power, its sign become negative. So it become minus y, and I write instead of y, write its value, which is I have written in here. So minus az minus b raised to power minus 7. In the next step, az minus b, these two values, first and the third one term, I take it common from this whole bracket having a minus 7 power, then it becomes az minus b raised to power minus 7. When I take this value as a common, so look at here, this is not present in the second term. So I write it 1 plus a del z over az minus b raised to power minus 7. Minus, the next term is remains same, az minus b raised to power minus 7. In the next one step, look at here, I have one first term and only two terms are there in this value, in this expression. So I write del z equal to az minus b raised to power 7. I take it common from these two terms, the first one and second one. Whenever I take it common from this, so only the left one value is 1 plus az over az minus b raised to power minus 7, and instead of this, because I take it common, so it become minus 1. In the next step, I apply the binomial theorem, binomial experience. What the binomial experience says, that 1 plus x raised to power n, it become equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into x square plus so on, and according to its higher powers. So I apply the binomial theorem within a bracket about the first term. So az minus b raised to power minus 7 written as it is, start of the bracket, braces bracket, and 1 plus nx, n is minus 7, so I write it minus 7, and x is the whole term, this az, a into del z over az minus b, it becomes this, right? The next one is that whenever I write it, nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into a del z over az minus b whole square, and so on. The last one value minus 1, this minus 1 I write it in the end. So this minus 1 and plus 1 both have the same, definitely will be cancelled out, and we have left minus 7 a del z over az minus b. I will take common this value from the next one step. Look at here, minus 7 a del z over az minus b. Remaining steps remain same. Az minus b raised to power minus 7 remains as it is. Minus 7 a into del z over az minus b, I take it common from this bracket. Whenever I take it common from this bracket, the left one is plus 1, minus 7, I take it common, so minus 7 minus 1, it is minus 8, so I write it minus 8 over 2 factorial into a del z over az minus b, it's having a power square, so when I take it 1 power as a common, so 1 power will be left, so I write it only 1 power. You can write it here 1, right? The next one step plus so on, so it is continuing with the higher power of del z. In the next one step, look at here, in first principle or abelian method, the next one step is dividing both sides by del z. The slight change in the independent variable. So del y over del z, that is equal to a z minus b raised to power minus 7 a del z over a z minus b. This del z will be cancelled out by this delta z. So within bracket remains, all remains values will be remain same, no change in the bracket, in the braces bracket you can say. So next one step is in the first principle, to find out the derivative by the first principle. In the next one step, that we have to apply the limits del z goes to 0. So delta z goes to 0 means delta y over delta z, this is equal to minus 7 into the 1 power a will be left here also, sorry it is not written there. So minus 7 into a over a z minus b, 1 plus 7. So I take this power minus, which is negative power, so I move this power to the denominator, so it becomes positive. So whenever bases are same, the power becomes add, so 1 plus 7. Remaining I'll just apply the limits del z, because del z is present within a bracket, so that's why I apply the limit delta z goes to 0 here. So whenever I apply the delta z, so where the delta z is written, that value becomes 0, so definitely 1 plus 0 plus 0 and so on. So look at this bracket, then remaining values are left as it is. So minus 7za. And the next one is test. Look at here. According to left hand side, it is limit delta goes to 0 delta y over delta z. It is a definition of derivative, so it becomes dy over dz minus 7a over az minus b whole power 8. This implies our required answer, dy over dz, dy over dz, that is equal to minus 7a over az minus b raised to power 8, which is our required answer of derivative. Thank you so much. Guys, subscribe my channel and also comments please. Thank you.